Hey friends, welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer, and if you're just joining us for the first time, welcome. Thanks for being here, and don't forget to give us that thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
And ring the bell.
And thanks to all of our regular subs for being here every week with us. We appreciate all the comments.
We got a great recipe here that we make all the time in the South.
And you are going to love it, so we are going to take you back and we're going to show you what we do. So we have laid out here some of the delicious ingredients in this heavenly dessert.
We will start with a box of Devil's Food cake mix.
And we're using Duncan Hines, but you can use any brand you want.
We're just going to follow package instructions.
We're going to start with
3 eggs.
Add that in.
And half a cup of oil.
And this is just vegetable oil.
And 1 cup of water. In Steve's favorite mixing bowl.
You love that bowl. And we'll mix it until it's completely combined.
We pre-greased our 9x13 baking dish. And now we're going to pour the chocolate cake mix in. The oven is preheated to 350 degrees.
And we're going to bake it in there for 35 minutes. We checked it with a toothpick and it came out clean, so it's done. So we'll take it out of the oven.
And let it cool. We got all the goodies here. Once it's cooled,
take the back side of a baking spoon or anything round
and just punch holes all in this thing.
And that's going to allow some of the topping to get down inside of the cake and get that flavor in there. In fact, we have another poke cake, that pina colada cake, and it's absolutely delicious. Check it out on our channel.
It's so good. A 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And we're going to add some stuff to it. Like chocolate syrup, and some caramel or caramel or whatever you want to call it, syrup. Who says caramel and who says caramel?
Exactly.
Let us know.
Yeah, let us know in the comments.
Dab that in there and stir it up really good. That gives it a good flavor.
Oh, yeah.
And pour that over the top.
And that's going to get into those holes in that cake. So you just want to spread it evenly, make sure that it gets in every hole. Spread that around with a batter spoon or a regular spoon just to get it all even.
Don't that look good?
Looks very good.
Now, we're adding some whipped topping.
Nothing like fluffy whipped cream.
Spread a nice thick layer on here.
Oh, yeah. Delicious.
Put a lot of whipped topping on this.
Yeah. That's the icing on the cake. So now that we got all that whipped topping on there,
we have taken those Snickers and chopped them up. Who don't like Snickers?
I love them.
I love Snickers.
Me too. Sprinkle them all over evenly.
Spread the love around.
Yeah.
You know, this one would be a good one for Halloween.
Oh, yeah, it would.
Since you already have all your candies when you get back. Oh. Just chop it all up and put it on top of this cake. It would be so good.
Definitely.
And then some Reese's peanut butter cups. These little miniature ones.
Who doesn't love Reese's? Oh.
Dab a few here and there.
Yum. I love chocolate peanut butter.
Oops, can't let that one go.
Nope. I'll eat it.
We'll put it right there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, peanut butter cups are my fave. So once we got all of those on there, we have
some peanut butter chips.
Oh, yeah. This is such a simple dessert to make.
And all you need is a box of Devil's Food cake mix and then Cool Whip and all the candies that you like. Don't this look delicious?
It does.
Rich.
So easy.
We even have some chocolate chips. Has some of these here, so I thought we'd use those.
Then we're going to drizzle some of this caramel syrup on.
You can drizzle it with chocolate.
Oh, yeah. Either one. Or both. That'll help the candy stay on top of the cake, too. Heaven. We're in heaven. Okay, I'm just being silly.
I like that one.
I like to break in a song every once in a while.
Oh, that's so cute.
So we're going to place this in the fridge to let it set for about an hour or two and let it chill.
Got it out of the fridge and look at that delicious cake. Don't that look really good?
It does.
I gave Jen the first piece.
Oh, yeah.
It's good, too.
Really good.
First one's always hard to get out anyway.
It is, but it still tastes good.
Don't that look good? Ooh,
it is good.
Great. And as Steve would say,
is this the best slice of heaven cake you've ever tried? If it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.